Hello guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create an awesome portrait poster in Canva. So first, just open a blank design like this. You can use any size, but I'm using this kind of size. Then add the photo or the portrait and make sure that it doesn't have any background, or use the background remover in Canva. Adjust the size. Okay, I'm going to go with this. Then go to elements and find paper elements. Okay, use this rip paper and adjust the size of the rip paper and put the rip paper on each or on all sides of the photo like this. Just duplicate it and adjust it as you like. Okay, so after the photo has been covered the side, you can just select the rip uh, paper elements, select all, and create it as group like this, and then put the rip paper elements on the back. Click on send backward and it will become like this. Okay, I'm going to just put it. Okay, let's drag it to the bottom, and now we can just add the tags. You can add your name, and you can change the font to the one you like. For example, I want to add this font, to use this one, Drunken Hour. Okay, I'm going to just use this font, and then you can just change the color. I'm going to change it into yellow. Okay, just put it at the top and you are done. So you can always add another elements like stars or any other elements that you want, but that's basically it. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.